How to buy SUI Desci agents token. So before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before go and buying this token, make sure to check the direct account. They have a big community there. Just go and check on it. Now, after that, open this token on CoinMarketCap, and now go to contracts and copy this token address. As you can see, it's under the SUI network. Now go and open your Bitget wallet, as you can see, and make sure to switch the network to SUI network. Now click on this plus icon and paste the token address, as you can see. So this is our token. It's not listed yet. Just click on it and make sure to read all of that. And if you are ready to go, just click on OK. Now click on plus icon and go back to your wallet. And as you can see, this is our token called the DSCI. Now click on it and click on swap from here. Now click here to switch, and here select the token that you want to buy with. For example, if you select USDT, make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now here, enter how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds and you will be able to see how much you will receive of that token. So just click on buy and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the DSCI token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.